Good morning, students. Today we are going to read the topic energy resources. And energy can be generated from where energy can be generated? Petroleum, natural gas, uranium, and from electricity. And classify conventional and non-conventional. Yesterday I have given to you the question, what are the difference between conventional and non-conventional source of energy? And you know about that conventional, from where we are going to obtain firewood, kettle dung cake, and petroleum and other thing. Okay, and non-conventional, solar energy and your tidal, etc. Firewood and kettle dung cake are most common in rural area. Maximum people of rural areas are going to use two sources, two resource, firewood and kettle dung cake. It also releases a poisonous gases and harmful for our environment also. But there is no alternate for the people think about that. That's why they are going to use such type of resources. And 70% energy required in rural household met by two continuation of, they are going to cut down the trees and branches of that to fulfill the needs of on. Okay, using dung cake discourage कि we give no weightage to using of the dung cake because it also releases poisonous gases and it is valuable manure we are going to waste. If we are going to use dung cake in field, then our soil will be fertile and gives us a good crop. Okay, conventional, first one is coal, and coal is most abundantly available fossil fuel, provide substantial part of India's energy need. Used power generation we are going to use in there, supply to energy to industry also, domestic industry and other industry also used. Domestic point of view we are also used coal, and India highly depend on coal for meeting their needs, meeting its commercial needs. And coal found in variety of form depending on the degrees. You also know about that, how we are going to obtain coal. Animal and plant buried when buried in the soil on that time, after million years we can got the coal. Million years it takes a lot of time to renew it, lot of time to build it. And first one, there are types of coal: lignite, bituminous and anthracite. And low grade brown coal is lignite. Okay, where we found it? Neyveli. And when I suggest one thing to you, when we are going to read the chapter, if there is some places they write down there, on that time we must have map with us. Ki by map it is very easy for you to learn. And are used for generation of electricity, coal that has been buried deep and subjected to increased temperature. Bituminous coal is there most. And you write down the what are the features of the lignite and bituminous and anthracite. Okay, and best quality of coal is hard coal is anthracite. Okay, and you also mark the question from here. In India, coal occurs in rock series or two main geological ages. They can ask the question कि what are the two main geological ages? On that time you have the answer there कि a little over 200 million years in age in tertiary deposit, which are only about 55 million years. One point is there. And the major source of Gondwana coal, which are metallurgical coal, are located in Damodar Valley. And West Bengal is also there. West Bengal, Jharkhand. You write down the question from here. First point there and second one is here. Jharia, Raniganj. And you know about that Chota Nagpur Plateau and your Assam eastern state side. We got coal. Okay. And old one ages, two ages, which they are going to ask from us that what do you mean by the two ages of two ages of your geological ages. First one is Gondwana and second one Tertiary coal also. You mark the question here, beta. Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland. Coal is bulky material which light-weighted coal you also know about that, and hard which looks like a rock, and we beaten after getting the pieces by broken the coal and reduced to ash. Weight on use. Sometime you also know about that this type of coal, if we are going to use, this one is also very harmful. In the news channel and the newspaper, maybe you have read about that and listened that ki some people are sleeping at night and they also burn the coal, and the smoke of this coal was harmful to them and they died on the spot. It means कि this type of coal is also very harmful for us. Coal, okay. And I shared with you 4 or 5 years back, maybe Chile near Argentina, okay, South America. There was one problem was there कि when they are going in a mine, on that time the door of the mine shut down by some rocks fallen there, and on that time it created a problem for the labor, those who are working there, and lot of efforts by the government, they can save their country, can save their lives. Okay, it means these type of conventional source of energy is harmful also. Okay, and next one, today we have done up to here. You prepare yourself for coming test on 3 and 3:20 p.m. Okay, beta, thank you.